Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best screw bits is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any DIYer's or professional's toolkit, transforming a standard drill into a versatile powerhouse capable of tackling countless assembly, disassembly, and repair tasks with precision and ease. Choosing the right set can dramatically improve efficiency, prevent stripped screws and damaged materials, and ultimately save you time and frustration on your projects, making it a crucial investment for anyone who frequently works with fasteners. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 109-piece drill and screwdriver bit set. Introducing the ultimate 109-piece set designed for all your household projects. It's everything you need for both drilling and screwdriving tasks. Tackle any material with confidence. This set includes common drill bit sizes perfect for wood, metal, plastic, and even masonry. From quick fixes to furniture assembly, we've got you covered. Find the right 1-inch and 2-inch bits for every screw. Keep your tools organized and protected. The rugged, portable hard case ensures everything stays in place and is ready to go. Hang pictures, install fixtures, or assemble furniture with ease. This set is your go-to for countless DIY tasks around the house. What we like. This comprehensive set offers a vast array of bits for numerous household tasks. If you're tackling a wide range of DIY projects and need a go-to solution for drilling and driving, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for homeowners who want a single kit for common repairs and installations. What people say. With its extensive range of 109 pieces, it covers a wide variety of screwdriving and drilling needs, making it an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It includes a wide range of screwdriver bits, such as Phillips, flathead, square, and Torx, allowing for compatibility with various screw types and sizes. Additionally, the set contains a variety of drill bits, including twist drills and masonry bits, enabling drilling in different materials. The build quality of the bits is excellent. They are made from durable materials that can withstand heavy use without easily wearing down or breaking. Number 4. DEWALT DW 2024 B6 Double-Ended Screwdriver Bit Set. Introducing the DEWALT Screwdriver Set, designed for your toughest jobs. Experience the difference quality makes. Crafted from shock-resistant tool steel, these bits offer maximum durability. They are built to withstand demanding use. Featuring a hardened core, they provide extra strength and significantly reduce the risk of breakage. Rely on them for consistent performance. Enjoy enhanced versatility with the double-ended design. This feature allows for quick changes and extended reach. With superior materials and construction, these bits are built to last. They are an essential addition to any toolbox. Choose the professional's choice for reliability and performance. Get the job done right with DEWALT. What we like. Engineered for extreme durability, these bits are built to withstand tough use. If you frequently work with impact drivers or demand tools that won't easily break, these are the ones for you. They offer extended life and reliability for demanding applications. What people say. These DEWALT bits are a good replacement for the double-sided bit that comes with most cordless drills, which is easy to lose or damage. These appear to be the same hard tool steel combo bits that have come with DEWALT cordless drills forever. They hold up well. Same old solid build 1/4 shaft and number 2 fit work great. Number 3. BOSCH ITPH 2205 Impact Tough Screwdriving Bits. Experience 10 times the life of standard bits. Our Impact Tough design features an extended torsion zone and a hardened core for superior strength. The extended torsion zone is specifically designed to absorb torque peaks from impact drivers, preventing breakage. This ensures a longer lifespan for your tools. Enjoy a better fit with our precision-engineered bit tips. They are designed to minimize cam out, giving you a more secure connection every time. Through heat-treated manufacturing and a hardened core, these bits offer increased strength and durability. They are built to withstand demanding applications. Designed with a hex interface for 1/4 inches. Hex impact drivers, they provide a secure connection. Laser-etched markings ensure easy readability that lasts. Crafted from high-quality forged steel, these bits supply exceptional durability. You can rely on them for long accessory life, project after project. What we like. Experience superior longevity and reduced breakage with their impact-tough design. If you're using impact drivers and need bits that can handle significant torque without failing, this set is ideal. It's designed for professionals and serious DIYers who prioritize bit lifespan and performance. What people say. The bits are made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. The magnetic tips make it easy to hold screws in place, preventing them from falling. The set includes a variety of sizes and types, making it versatile for different drilling tasks. Number 2. DEWALT 100PC FlexTorq Impact Ready Screwdriver Bit Set. Introducing the DEWALT 100-piece screwdriver bit set. This comprehensive collection is designed for maximum efficiency and organization, keeping all your essential bits in one place. Our connectable accessory storage system optimizes your space, allowing you to neatly store your drill bits. The patented bit bar design ensures easy bit removal and customizable placement. Never lose track of your tools again. The clear lid provides a quick view of the contents, while the secure clip latch ensures it stays closed. This set is ideal for organizing loose bits. It fits perfectly inside our small and medium tough case plus, sold separately, for even greater portability. Equipped with 15 Torx, 35 pH, 17 SQ, and 14 SL bits, plus 14 drill bits, this set covers a wide range of applications. It's ready for any impact driving task. The FlexTorq technology is impact-ready, designed to withstand demanding job sites. This durable set is built to last. What we like. This extensive set combines a large variety of bits with robust impact-ready technology. If you're looking for a well-organized, high-capacity bit set specifically designed for impact drivers, this is a fantastic option. The included tough case ensures your bits stay organized and protected. What people say. There was a large variety of things to use. They look sleek, many bit sizes to pick from, quality is great as DEWALT usually is. The weight is considerably light for having as much as it does in the cases. Whether you're tackling a quick DIY project or heavy-duty construction, these bits deliver. They're tough, durable, and built to withstand serious wear, making them a go-to for any toolbox. They hold up just as well as any other bits. Definitely better than some Hobo Freight and Wally World bits. Number 1. Ultimate Drill Bit Set, 246 PCS Comprehensive Premium Quality Drill Bits Kit. Introducing the Ultimate Drill Bit Set, a comprehensive 246-piece collection designed for all your drilling and screwdriving needs. It's built for longevity and offers a cost-effective solution. Engineered for durability, this premium quality kit ensures a long-lasting performance. It reliably handles all your drilling and screwdriving tasks, making it a smart investment. This extensive set includes a wide variety of tools perfect for drilling into wood, metal, and cement. It's an ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Featuring standard and precision accessories, this kit is incredibly versatile. It's suitable for a broad range of applications, from masonry and concrete work to woodworking and metal projects. Our reinforced packaging guarantees that your new set arrives in perfect condition. It's carefully protected to prevent any damage during transport. Looking for the perfect gift? This set offers a universal collection of essential tools, neatly organized in a convenient carrying case. It's a thoughtful choice for anyone who loves to build or fix. What we like. This is the ultimate, all-encompassing kit for any drilling or screwdriving need. If you want a single, premium quality set that covers virtually every application for wood, metal, and cement, this is it. It's perfect for professionals and hobbyists who demand the widest possible range of tools. What people say. The case is organized and well built. It holds everything firmly in place. The bits fit snugly in their respective spots and are clearly labeled, allowing everything to remain well organized. There is also a foam insert to help keep everything in place. Like the magnetic chuck for the screwdriver bits, makes changing bits very easy without having to mess with the drill chuck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.